In this video, I will show you how to add your own music to TikTok videos. If this guide helps you, please consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video so others can find it. So the first thing we're gonna do, of course, is to open TikTok on our phone. Once you open up your TikTok app, go ahead and tap on the plus icon. You're gonna see it right here at the middle of your screen. Right here at the top of your screen, you're gonna see the option to add a sound. Go ahead and select that option. Then tap on the magnifying glass that you're gonna see right here on the right. Here, go ahead and tap on discover more sounds. And all the way to the right, you're gonna select your sounds. Now here, you're going to have two different options. You can either import a sound from a video or you can import a local sound. I'm just gonna go ahead and tap import sound from video. Now find the video that you want to use that maybe has your song or the audio that you wish to import to TikTok. Select your video and then select import sound from video. Now that you have uploaded your sound, all you have to do if you want to use it is go ahead and select add sound again. Select the magnifying glass and discover more sounds. And now you can easily go to your sounds and select the audio that we just imported. Then you can simply create a video or your own trend using your song or your audio. And that's it. I hope this video helped you, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Bye!